Page 22, Joy to the World. I'm going to go through the process I used to learn a piece of music. I'll see what I end up with. I'll look it over. I'll see it's about 2 pages long. Okay, I just want an idea of about how long it is, that's all. The clef signs are treble and bass clef. They are most of the time, but I'm in the habit of doing it. I just always check the clef signs. The time signature is 4/4 time, and I look through it. I see half notes, quarter notes, dotted quarter notes, whole notes. Think we can handle all that stuff. Now the hands, for the most part, are playing one hand at a time. Occasionally they play together. So to shorten this video, I'm going to talk about both hands at the same time, because a lot of pieces, when the hands are playing together, I have to take it one hand at a time first, and then I try and put the hands together. But we'll try it this way and see what happens. Right hand starts with third finger on the G. That puts the hand here. I know there's an F sharp in here. I don't care. The hand position is here, as far as I'm concerned. Other people will say, no, you're going to use the F sharp. You just make that the hand position. But I don't. I do it here. And then I move the index finger up when I need it for the sharp sign. Left hand, when it comes in, is here. Here. So we're here. And it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. Again, the dotted rhythm. The dotted quarter note. The quarter note comes on beat 3. The dot comes on beat 4 because a quarter note takes up a whole beat. And the dot is the same as half the quarter note or an eighth note. Same as an eighth note. So then the eighth note comes on the end of 4. 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3. And the dotted half note's the same as 3 quarter notes. So just, well, it's 3 counts. Okay. Let's go over to measure 11. Remember the numbers at the beginning of the lines and the little boxes are measure numbers. So just find measure 11, wherever that is. And we're here, quarter note 1 and 2. Now, as I'm playing this in the left hand, the right hand has rest. You need to move the right hand up. So third finger's on B. So we're going to go from here to here. So again, and 2. And then measure 13 is together, G, and then a D, and then here. The eighth notes are by themselves. And then here, just reach down with a little finger. And then here. And again, the eighth notes are by themselves. And as you're doing that, you get the left hand or right hand back down. Now, measure 19. 1, 2, hold. Now it's at these notes. And then 4 notes. Well, figure it out. You have a G, a D, a G, and a B. Those notes. So I'm going from here to here. Trying to get them all down at the same time. I don't, but maybe you can. I don't know. Yeah. So once I have an idea of the fingering and the notes and the rhythm and all that, then I go back over it slowly and carefully and I get rid of any hesitations. So it's a steady beat throughout the whole thing. And once I can do that okay, then I add the articulation, the slurs, the phrases, the staccatos, whatever. You're going to connect it at the beginning. The lift up. The lift, just a little lift, like taking a breath. On measure 4, just cut a little short. And this, because you're holding that down as you do that. Connect these. And these in the right hand here, measure 4, 5, and 6 and all. Pretend that's all connected. There's a great big long line over the whole thing. Just connect it. So measure 4 is here. And then connect all that together as best you can. And then a measure 8 at the end of it is a staccato. Flex at the wrist is short. I'm on the key and I'm bouncing off. Again. Now on this part, connect all that together, except for the staccato. And then lift up for another one here. So again, lift up. And again, staccato. And this left hand, connect it. You have to lift up for the rest, but otherwise connect the left hand here. And then in measure 16, you have to lift up both hands here, and connect that. Connect that all together. See, some of these curved lines are slurs and some of them are phrases, and trying to figure out which is which is ugh. This is a fairly connected piece except for the staccatos. If you can figure out where the phrases are, you just lift up between the phrases. Otherwise, you connect it. At the end, the last measure, it is a staccato and an accent. So you flex at the wrist here and you just play it a little louder. That's all. Don't know why they want it, but they want it, so okay. Now once I have the articulation sort of under control, then I think about the dynamics. F at the beginning is forte, which is loud, but you'll have to decide what loud is. It's different for your situation. I don't know. You're staying loud until measure 8 at the end. Come down a little bit. The mezzo forte is sort of loud. And at the end of measure 10, you're going to echo that soft. Then go up just a little bit to the pickup to measure 13, you're sort of soft. Mezzo piano. Now that's the right hand there. That's the melody. This, can you make this left hand really soft? Very light. A little louder. Now loud. Measure 19, the melody's in the left hand. That's loud. This is sort of loud. And then the last note, take it up a notch, so it's going to be very loud for that one. Boom. Let the wrist collapse a little bit. Don't hammer. We don't want to hammer. We want a musical boom is what we're after here. Yeah. And then the speed. It's a happy piece. I missed it before, a measure 7, there is a little arrow there between the staves to get softer. Well, the whole note, that gets softer by itself. It's this. Each one of those notes are good, just a little bit softer. You have to experiment with that. And you can get softer than you can go all the way down to sort of soft there. Just on the next one, on the pickup to measure 9 though, you're back up to moderately loud, whatever it is. So you're not going soft down to moderately loud. You're going soft lower than that, softer than that. But then you're at moderately loud to go on. Yeah. Remember the natural accents and put them in 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, feel them. 1, 2, 3. Feel them. 1, 2. Measure 5. 1. Feel the natural accents as you go through this. I exaggerate them so you can hear them better. Really, you just feel them. Let's play this together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. We're not performing it. I'm not doing louds and softs. And we're going to go really slowly. We're just checking that you have the right notes and rhythms. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2. 3. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.